Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Daulat Hussain, and in this video I'm going to talk about that what should be your ideal content creating model which you can follow for your business, for your product. No matter what industry you are in, whether you are an individual person, whether you have your own product, but you want to do market, you want to create content around your service, around your product, but you are confused, you don't know how to start creating content. Like when I started, there was a lot of confusion. I had no idea at all that how should I plan my content, how should I create my content, and I was really very confused. But after reading a lot, after watching a lot of videos on YouTube and listening to a lot of people's their examples, I finally found one video which explains everything about the content creation strategy, and that is super effective. Yes, super effective, and right now it's make my life very easy while creating content, and that is called pillar content model. I would like to thanks Gary Vee. He don't know me, but he created a huge impact in my life. Like after watching his lot of videos, the way he create his contents, the way he follow actually what he says. So I came across this strategy called pillar content strategy, and that strategy basically what happens, you create one pillar content, and after that you divide that content into sub contents. For example, if I want to create a video, that video should be 10 minutes long, and that is my pillar content. And after creating the video, what I will do, I'm going to extract the same video into an audio. This is another form of content I got, and after what I will do, I will convert that audio into an article. So from that one video I got three pieces of content: one video for the YouTube, one audio for my podcast, and third one is for my article. And after that I'm going to make 1 minute's video clip from that pillar video, and from that 1 minute I'm going to make a 15-second videos for my reels, and that 1 minute video go for my social media platforms. So this is how I got 1 minute video clip and 15 minutes again 50-minute video clips. So there is total 5 piece of content I got from the same content. After that what I will do, I'm going to convert and make gifs from the video. If I found something interactive within the video, I'm going to convert that portion into a gif. Then I'm going to convert infographics. I take a snapshot from the video and I will create infographics. So I got total 7 piece of contents. So just imagine that how many content you are getting from just one pillar content. From that pillar content you got one video for your YouTube, you got audio for your podcast, you got text from your blog post. After having this 3 main content type, you make short clips of 1 minute, and that will go to your social media platform. Like you create 4 to 5 short clip from that long video. After that you have videos for reels, 15-second reels, then you will have infographics, then you have gifs. So total number of contents you get 7. Like from that pillar content you got almost like 40 piece of contents you have created from that 10 minutes video clips. So just it's absolutely amazing. So this is how you have to plan your content strategy. This is how you're going to create your content. And after creating content comes the marketing part. Now what you have to do, you have to distribute these contents for the next 10 days. It's not necessary that you have to post the entire content within one day. Like you can use this like social media platform content management software. You have to upload all your content which you have created on the platform and just schedule for the next 10 days. Like today the short clips video will go, next day the gif will go, third day the infographics will go, and this is how you have to post in an alternative way. So what will happen, your feed will keep engaged with your followers, and this is how you will be visible on the platform amongst your followers. So this is how you have to plan your content strategy, which is absolutely effective. Just create one pillar content and the rest automatically follows. So follow this strategy no matter which industry you are in, what product you are selling, what audience you are targeting. It's absolutely effective for all the industry, for all kind of people, or for all kind of influencer. So this is one of the best and perfect content marketing and creating model which you can follow for yourself on this digital platform for creating content. So I hope you have liked this. If you really have any questions or any doubt regarding anything, regarding web development, regarding marketing, regarding anything, drop down in the comment section. I would love to help you out, and I will give you a dedicated thought that how you should plan your marketing, how you should do everything and all. So I hope you have found this valuable. So the only motive I have of explaining all this thing, that I want you to follow this and make your life easy, because when it's come to creating content and when you actually new to these things, it's very confusing. A lot of time we messed up. So this is the best process which we can follow to start our content creating journey. So I hope you have found this valuable. If you really have any question, please do let me know. I would love to help you out and explain you even in more better way. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you next time. Great day.